Just a quick backstory. I think we've heard it. We did this one time earlier today, so I just kind of sent the song to Tegan and was like, hey, how about you sing it? And she was like, okay, maybe we can practice it one time or something. So that's how she talks.
I feel extremely stressed out, and I'm just hoping that that potentially my vocal just gets turned down really low in the mix.
Well, see, the thing is they've never heard the song, so they don't know what it's supposed to sound like.
They're gonna know when I'm out of key.
Oh, shush.
You know what I'm saying?
You shush up.
You wait up into Aretha Franklin and shit.
So this is a new song. It's goes like this. I don't even know if I remember. There is a fire burning in the ocean with death like smoke and devil red flames. And you can see it burning from the valleys. Oh, you can see it from the highways. Searching for black holes to add more dollars to their names. Then one evening, so suddenly and violent, there was an explosion. I can't explain. Tegan and Sara, ladies and gentlemen.